How to create a new disk partition on Windows. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'll show you guys a quick and easy way to create a new disk partition on your Windows. Simply go ahead and open up your Manage Disk option. So click on the search bar and simply search for disk. And here you'll find the option called Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions. Click on it, and you'll open your disk management right over here. So in order to create a new partition here, you're going to have to split it from your very last disk. So here I've got 72 gigs of memory. So from here, I'm going to click on shrink volume. Now, let's say if I want to shrink, so this is the size available on my disk in MB. Enter the amount that you want to shrink to. So let's say if I want to separate 4 gigabytes of storage, I'm just going to go ahead and type in 4000 here. And this will be the total size after shrinking. So now click on shrink, and it will automatically create a new volume of 4 gigabytes of storage. Now you could just go ahead and right click on it and create a new simple volume. Now the simple volume wizard will pop up on your screen. Keep tapping next. You can assign a different letter if you want. I'm just going to leave it on E. Type next. This is the most important step to make sure that your file system is NTFS. And now you could also label this as new volume or whatever you want. Click on next and click on finish, and you should be good to go. Now, if you go check on our PC, we'll get a completely new volume that's totally empty. That's pretty much it, guys. That's how you basically create a new partition on your disk. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.